The farmers have begun to distance themselves from yesterday's violence. Videos have now emerged of them actually inciting the violence. Several farm leaders, including Rakesh Tikait, have been caught on camera urging protesters to carry the sticks and turn out in hordes to save their land. Rakesh Tikait on your screens right now. You can hear him as well in just about a bit. He's saying that they will march the Red Fort come what may. G.S. Chaduni clearly told the protesters to ram through the police barricades and enter Delhi. Some even told the protesters about a march to the Red Fort. Several farmer union leaders have already been named in the FIRs, and their role in instigating the clashes is now under the scanner.
राष्ट्रपति भवन से और इंडिया गेट तक वो यात्रा निकाल लेंगे। उन्होंने यात्रा अपनी शॉर्ट कर दी, जो परेड है, और हम लाल किले से निकाल लेंगे इंडिया गेट तक, तो दोनों का मेल मिलाप वही होगा। राष्ट्रपति भवन से और इंडिया गेट तक वो यात्रा निकाल लेंगे। उन्होंने यात्रा अपनी शॉर्ट कर दी, जो परेड है, और हम लाल किले से निकाल लेंगे इंडिया गेट तक, तो दोनों का मेल मिलाप वही होगा। कैडी पेड़ रही सरकार, अपना ले आइयो झंडा झुंडा भी लगाना, लाठी गोती भी साथ रखियो अपनी झंडा लगाने के लिए। समझ जाइयो सारी बात, ठीक है। झंडा लगागा, तिरंगा भी झंडा वैसा भी लगा लियो उस पर। और आ जाओ, बस अब बहुत बोल दिया, अब आ जाओ जमीन बचाने के लिए। आ जाओ, अपनी जमीन नहीं बच रही। हम नहीं है यहाँ पे, क्या हम वहाँ पे गया कि हमने झंडा लगाया? कैसे पल्ला झाड़ देगी बीजेपी? ये पूर्ण रूप से प्री प्लान उनका था। ये तो देश के किसान ने, देश का जो जवान था, उसके बहुत बड़ी हिम्मत उसकी मान लो कि दोनों के सहमति से बड़ा वो होने से बचाया गया है।
सरकार जिद पे अड़ गई और 26 तारीख जो है, हमने भी दूसरी तरफ 26 तारीख की बिल्कुल सरकार को चेतावनी दे रहे हैं और पूरे किसानों से कह रहे हैं कि 26 तारीख को अपनी तैयारी करके ट्रैक्टरों के साथ आ जाएं। जबरदस्ती इनके बैरिकेड तोड़ के दिल्ली में घुसेंगे और सरकार लाठी मारे, गोली मारे, जो करना है इनको करें, लेकिन 26 तारीख को जो है वो एक तरह से फाइनल मैच होगा और उस दिन जो भी होगा वो सरकार की जिम्मेवारी है। दीप सिद्धू ने जो किया है, हम उसकी कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं और हमें लगता है वो सरकार का दलाल है। बहुत दिन पहले से गड़बड़ कर रहा है। हमारा लाल किले पे जाने का कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं था, वो बागी होके गया है और लोगों को भी उसके जो बहकावे में इस बात पे आगे कि हम रिंग रोड पे जाएंगे, लोगों को भी ये मालूम नहीं था कि लाल किले पे जाएगा।
Ashutosh Mishra is now joining us. Ashutosh, what is your reading of these visuals that are coming in and the videos that are surfacing at the moment? There are certain farmer leaders who are caught red-handed on camera trying to incite some sort of violence. But what about the rest as well?
The farmers have clarified on these videos of as Rakesh Tikait saying that it's a way out of the way we, speak in the Western UP. It was only the tone. We said bring that baton because that would needed to have your flag. So that was his way of saying. Of course, what has happened. None of these farmers are either justifying or even defending, but rather they are embarrassed of what has happened. In fact, at the moment as we speak, there's a meeting of the farmer union going on. What we know that they are going to discuss as far as the march towards the parliament on February 1 is concerned, that was announced. So, as I told you earlier, that this march is likely to be cancelled and that will be announced in the official press conference at around 6 o'clock. At the same time, since Delhi police is marking all these leaders, including those who signed the agreement bond between the police and farmers, since it has been violated, that resulted to the violence, they all will be named in the FIR as well. So the further strategy, also the next round of meeting with the government on farm laws, that's also due. So how they are going to take the movement forward, that is now going to be the key strategy that will be discussed in the meeting. But at the same time, what is happening on these borders, that's also need to understand. And hence I'll take you to these live visuals at Singhu border. Look at this deployment, the massive deployment of the, I can see the huge, it's almost the double of the Delhi police force. Subsequently ITBP, and now you are seeing the CRPF marching inside the inner periphery where the farmers have been placed. Also, this is not the only point where I've been reporting from. Far beyond from this, almost 500 meters, there was a parking space where we used to park our vehicles, the OB van. Now the media has been asked to evacuate that place with their vehicles. We are only allowed to go by foot. All the vehicles, the OB van, the vehicles, everything has been asked to remove out. These barricading are now, strengthened further. there will be only one vehicle route, other side of that is being arranged. So clearly the security arrangements is now going to be beefed up multifold that it has been for last 60 days. And clearly the action at the police investigation is begin. They have said there will be a FIR. Further, the question that remains, how and who will lead this mobilization of the farmers who are sitting here against the farm laws, how the government is going to ensure the deadlock ends. Back to you.
All right, Ashutosh Mishra with that ground report right there from Delhi. Ashutosh, we'll keep coming back to you for more on this.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.